My name is Justin Kiprono Chebi. I'm director of Bogoria Special Honey Company. This is a private family business or a private company from Baringo, which was formed around the year 2012 out of that aspiration of doing honey business. So we are here today in World Bee Day to tell our people the importance of honey, the importance of bees in our environment or in our surrounding. We know that bees play a very major role in our ecosystem, whereby almost everything depends on bees. Without bees, I think even human life is threatened. So we are here today to see or to tell people in the world that we have this small insect which is very important in our environment. So another issue is we are trying to tell people how to conserve these bees and stop distracting the habitat, because we know we have this thing called human-wildlife conflict, whereby even bees fall in this range. Destruction of environment or forests or damaging or whatever the forest or what in the country destroys the habitat of the bees, which threaten the life of the bees. Also, charcoal burning is another problem. Dumping sewers or what in good water causes damage or kill bees. So we are here today to tell Kenyans to try to, or anybody in the world who is in this sector, on how to protect this important animal. Also, we understand that people nowadays have embarked on farming, which in most cases they use different types of herbicides, pesticides, or to control pests in their farms, say flowers, horticulture. So these kind of pesticides or chemicals have serious side effects on our bees. They kill bees, and we know as we are just trying to do this farming or try to chase all kinds of livelihood through farming or any other method, we find that we interfere with the life of the bees, because bees are in this category of insects, and when you spray indiscriminatively, you end up killing the bees also, because we've not in Kenya, maybe we've not learned ways of distinguishing or producing or manufacturing some chemicals which selects bees from other insects. So whenever you spray, you kill all of them. So which has seriously reduced the population of bees in this country. Yes, that is why we are here today to tell people in the world that we need to do one or two to protect these important insects in the world. You know, bees, they are great pollinators. We need trees in our environment to survive, and if those trees are not pollinated or so that they produce seeds, there will be extinction of those trees. Also, when I was saying when people are doing this food production or what, I can say bees are very key in this, because even as Kenya are talking of Agenda 4, I think bees are there to assist in food production, or food security. So you find that even when you have your farm, and most of the farm depend on bees. Bees are almost 100% pollinators. They are accurate pollinators. You know, we have agents of pollination like wind, other human, wildlife or what, but the bees are almost 100% pollinators, because whenever they just visit one flower, the other day they will come from there and did almost in a very standard way that they will not skip some flowers. So you find that when you have bees around in your farm, you find the production of the production, let's say maize, you'll get almost 100% or 80% production because of the presence of the bees. Currently we have plants which depend on bees specifically, like mangoes, avocados, and macadamia. Those are the kind of plants which squarely depend on bees, because the wind pollination, because of that stigma and whatever. When I tell you about the flowers and the male part, and they don't they don't come up together at the same time. That is biological now. So you find bees are the one who are doing it from the male to the female, rather than wind, which is not accurate. So those trees depend specifically on bees. Without bees, we might not be having avocados, we might not be having macadamia or avocados.